It's important to have consistent volume levels in audio projects that have people speaking, such as group podcasts, so the listener doesn't have to adjust the volume up and down in order to hear properly. The easiest way to do this is to speak at a consistent volume, but levels can be evened out in editing as well. If a track has a mixture of loud and quiet voices, the compressor and amplify effects can be used to even out the volume. Compressor works by lowering the volume of the loud parts so they match the quiet parts, and then amplify can be used to raise the volume of the entire track. First, identify the average volume level of the quietest voice. Play a portion when they're speaking. Look at the playback level meter and estimate the volume decibel level. Keep this decibel in mind. Next, zoom out to see the entire track if needed, and then click and drag to highlight the whole track. Next, navigate to Effect, Compressor. The main settings in the compressor window are Threshold and Ratio. Set the threshold slider to the decibel level of the quietest voice. For the ratio, set this higher if the volume difference between the loud and quiet voices was extreme. Next, move the attack and release sliders all the way to the left, and make sure the two checkboxes at the bottom are unchecked. Set the noise floor, which is the level of the background noise, to -50 decibels. When done, click OK. The loud parts of the track should automatically be lowered as soon as compressor is applied. The goal is to have a consistent volume throughout the track. If there are still noticeably loud parts, undo and reapply compressor and try adjusting settings until it looks more even. After compressor has been properly applied, the volume of the entire track needs to be raised. Highlight the entire track if it isn't still selected, and then navigate to Effect, Amplify. Set the new peak amplitude to -3, which will ensure the new volume isn't too loud, and click OK. The volume of the entire track should be louder. More information about Audacity can be found on our other videos, or by visiting the PLU Knowledge Base. If you need assistance, please feel free to reach out to Instructional Technologies.